In this video, I'll show you how to log out of your MetaMask account. In MetaMask, logging out is usually called locking your wallet. When you lock MetaMask, your wallet is closed on that device, and anyone who opens it again will need to enter the password before they can access the account. To begin, open MetaMask on your browser extension or mobile app. If you are using the browser extension, click the MetaMask icon near the top right corner of your browser. If you are using the mobile app, open MetaMask from your phone's home screen. Once your wallet is open, look for your account icon or profile icon. On the browser extension, this is usually shown near the top of the wallet window. Click it and a menu will appear with different account options. In that menu, choose Lock MetaMask. After you click it, MetaMask will immediately return to the password screen. This means your wallet is now locked, and your account is no longer open on that device. On the MetaMask mobile app, the steps are very similar. Open the app, tap the menu icon, then look for the lock option. Tap it, and the app will take you back to the unlock screen. The next time you want to use your wallet, you will need to enter your MetaMask password again. It's important to understand that locking MetaMask does not delete your wallet. It also does not remove your account, your tokens, or your transaction history. Your wallet address stays the same, and your funds remain on the blockchain. Locking simply protects access to the wallet on your current device. If you are using a shared computer, public computer, or work device, locking MetaMask is very important. You should always lock your wallet when you finish using it, especially after connecting to websites, checking balances, or sending transactions. For extra safety, you can also disconnect your wallet from websites you no longer use. To do this, open MetaMask, go to connected sites, and remove any website you do not recognize or no longer trust. This helps reduce unnecessary wallet connections. If you want to fully remove MetaMask from a device that is different from logging out, you would need to uninstall the extension or app. But before doing that, make sure you have your secret recovery phrase safely backed up. Without it, you may not be able to restore your wallet later. So, to log out of MetaMask, simply open the wallet, choose the account menu, and select Lock MetaMask. This is the safest way to close your wallet after using it. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.